Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to redeem Discord Nitro code. So if you want to redeem your Discord Nitro code, first of all you have to open up a browser. After opening a browser, search for Discord login. After searching for Discord login, you can find the first option, tap on Discord, and over the top you can find login option. Tap on login and log in your account. So I have already logged in my account, so it is directly opening my account in the Chrome browser. So after you log in your account in your browser, just tap on the settings icon which is on the bottom. After tapping on the settings icon, over the left side you can find gift inventory. Tap on gift inventory. After tapping on gift inventory, you can find a redeem code icon over here. So you can enter your redeem code over here. After entering your redeem code, tap on redeem and you will successfully redeem your Discord Nitro code. So this is how you redeem your Discord Nitro code. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.